Hey guys, just coming to do a quick video. I got a wig off of Amazon. This is a lace wig. It's 100% virgin hair. Box got damaged in delivery, but this is what it looks like from the company. And this is what it looks like in the box. And I'm just going to come show you guys the initial unit. Of course, I do have to color it. It is a 14-inch body wave. It did come with a wig cap. And it comes with a stock card. I guess this would be the company right here. And they do have an Instagram. No, they have a YouTube, a Facebook, and a Milsa. Or maybe that's their Instagram. And then there's a card on the back, I guess, for me to send in what I thought about it. Exchange of goods for registration. If you leave 5 stars of positive feedback, okay, I'll get to that. I won't hold you guys up. I'll read this later. I just want to show you guys the unit that I got. I am going to color it. I think there's only a little piece of lace up front. See that little piece of lace? That's all there is. I think that I'm just going to color the front part. I think I'm just going to put it on my mannequin head and color the front part. I just cannot stand to have black hair in my face. You guys know how I am about black hair and dark hair. I don't think I'm going to color the whole thing. I was also thinking about just kind of streaking, putting little streaks in it, like totally coloring the front part. The whole front part's going to be colored. There's a comb there. There's a comb there. Here's the part. Okay. And then there's a net in there, there's a comb in the back, and there's straps in the back. So I think I'm just going to bleach all of the front. So it's going to be like blonde in front and then dark in back. I may put some little blonde streaks in the back. I'm not sure yet. I think that's what I'm going to do. Normally I would color the whole entire wig, but I don't think I'm going to do that with this one. I don't think I'm going to do that with this one. I don't think I'm going to color the whole entire wig. Oops, sorry. It's a beautiful, it feels really nice, which is why I don't want to color the whole thing. I also don't want to take away from too much of the curl pattern of it. So that's another reason why I don't want to color the whole thing. It's 14 inches, not longer than what I usually get or wear, but that's what I wanted. Something for the summertime, something that wasn't going to be all the way down to my butt. There's no lace on the back. Just that little piece of lace on the front, which I'm going to just cut off. I'm going to cut it off. So this is what it is. If the color turns out the way I like it and I'm getting better with this coloring thing, I will come back and show you guys this unit and how it colored. I have the wig stand that I showed you guys already, so I can put it on my wig stand. I can color the unit and be good to go. So this is it from AliExpress. I'll try to find the information and link it below. I have that card. So the links, if you're familiar with Ali, the links come and go. So I don't know about the link, but that card information, if you're interested in a unit or a good unit, I'll put it down below so you can find the company. And I'll see you guys in the next video.